Worth bearing in mind, if I just put the temperature layer on, that we have some very cold air across the UK at the moment. And it's as this wet weather bashes into this cold air that we're going to see some snow. Now, I mentioned that here in the southwest, we're not going to see a huge amount, particularly where we are in Exeter, and that's because, well, it's mostly rain at this point. It's on the northern edge of this system as it bashes into the cold air across us that we're going to see this.
Oh, fucking bullshit. Let's have this freaking dopey fucking idiot here. Have a look at them. Are they fucking professionals? They look like fucking cooks at a fucking at a school canteen. Fuck off. What they're pushing here is the herd immunity. And it's going to be cold, wet and miserable. Even an electromagnetic attack from 5G. I bet you get some more fucking tattoos. Put one on your forehead that says, I am a fucking sellout.
So if I just turn that off for a second, and if I run this through, and you can see as this system makes its way northeastwards across the UK, across parts of England and Wales, we are going to see some significant snow building up, particularly across parts of Wales, central England, and then later on into parts of northern England as we go through later on into Sunday. Now that snow risk, as well as snow risk, is also going to bring some freezing rain, and you may know that
Aren't they just the most wonderful people here? The Who? Oh, fucking how criminal are these bastards? Fucking fraud.
Hello and good afternoon. It looks like a cold start to this week with chemtrails blowing in from the southeast, making those nasty blue skies into a lovely milky haze. Further up towards the north of Scotland, where it was going to be really bright and sunny today, you may now see some cloud appear, usually behind a fleet of airplanes, and that will bring wind and hail and maybe even a touch of unmeltable snow. A look further into the week sees modified storms battering that northern coast, so don't forget your happy pills if you're planning on travelling. Towards Friday, low pressure remains and it will be blue skies and sunshine across the UK. But shows what us meteorologists here at the weather station call a blanket of poisonous smog cloud, and this is caused when low pressure is altered with atmospheric heaters and jet stream manipulation. Unlike the nanoparticle swarms of invisible smart dust, though, which will engulf almost everywhere, so be careful if you plan on breathing air. Breathing air. Breathing air. Breathing air. So be careful if you plan on breathing air.
It's PK the weatherman telling you the truth about the weather, not the bullshit from the bomb. Supposedly global warming now. Global fucking warming. I am sick to death of these idiotic, moronic, pathetic, brain-dead, leftist, loony morons who keep pushing this global warming shit. And don't give me this climate change shit. That's just a cop-out for global warming so as to cover all bases. This whole bullshit was all about global warming how many years ago? pushing this carbon tax fucking bullshit, carbon emissions crap. It is a joke. It is a freaking joke. Yeah, I made a video not long ago, some article saying, oh, the oceans are warming. The oceans are warming and millions of people are going to die. Oh, how fucking pathetic. And they're telling us the Arctic ice is melting. So if the ice is melting, wouldn't that make the freaking oceans cooler? Doesn't it make sense? You know, the last time I went to a surf beach last summer, the water was freezing just like it was 40 years ago. It hasn't changed. It hasn't changed. The oceans don't freaking warm. You know, you might go to the local beach and sometimes it's warmer than other times you go. That's because if you've had a few days of hot sun on the beach, at the bay beaches, it warms the freaking water up. You know? It's the sun that has 99.9% on the climate, not this fucking carbon dioxide shit.